Welcome everybody, welcome back to this IT webinar. Today we have a new lesson which is AI empowering the communication. How can artificial intelligence can revolutionize the way we connect? So we're going to see how does the AI can help us communicate through different ways. So through art, through visual, through making videos, something like that. So we can pass the knowledge, pass our view to the others using the help of AI. So, of course, we have the headlines, which are introduction, understanding the communication challenge, language translation, virtual assistant, art as a type of communication, real-time communication, and the conclusion. Today, we're going to talk about the topic that has fascinating us for centuries: communication. As we all know, communication is the cornerstone uh, cornerstone for human interactions. So we need communication in our life. It's necessary in order to pass the knowledge, in order to communicate with other part. It's the most important in our life. As we all know, communication is the cornerstone of human interaction. It allows us to share ideas, thoughts, and emotions with one another. So it's really good to have a good understanding of how to communicate with others. However, communication can also be challenging at times, especially when we face language barrier. This is a big challenge, especially for people who travel abroad. So, language barrier, cultural difference, and time zone constraint is a really difficult way to communicate if you are in another country. So, you are new to the country, it can be a little bit difficult for you to communicate or to do anything because the language barrier is a really tough thing. Luckily, we live in a new era where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. One of the most exciting developments in recent years has been the rise of artificial intelligence. I think all of us know that artificial intelligence is a new thing in 2023. So we know ChatGPT, of course, it's a really good AI that helps us. He's a copywriter, so you can just chat with the chatbot and it will give you some informations that you couldn't have gotten before. One of the most exciting developments is the AI with its ability to process vast amount of data and learn from it. AI has a potential to revolutionize in the way we communicate by leveraging the AI-powered communication tools. We can overcome many of the challenges that have plagued us for centuries. From language translation to virtual assistant, AI can make a communication easy, seamless. We are going to see some AI tools that will help you communicate from art, so you can use the AI to make your art. You can also use some chatbots who are really good. We have two ChatGPT, of course. We have Bard, and also we have Bing, but Bing is limited to Edge browser, so it's difficult to work with. But we have Bard, which is Google, is really recently announced. It's a really good one. It's based on ChatGPT 4, so we're going to see a lot of these things afterwards. Understanding the communication challenge. Communication is a fundamental part of our life, but it can be challenging when we're dealing with language barriers, cultural differences, and time zone discrepancies. These challenges can hinder effective communication and lead to misunderstanding, delays, and missed opportunities. Fortunately, AI-powered communication tools can help overcome these challenges by providing real-time translation services and natural language processing capabilities and virtual assistants that are available 24/7. Of course, we all know we all have smartphone and we all use our smartphones a lot. So, of course, recently we have the tool live caption. As I don't know if you can see it, it's here. Live caption allows you when to take a certain conversation and make it readable. I mean, if you are communicating with someone, you can communicate while the phone is translating the the the, the dialogue you are having with someone. It's like also we have Google Translator, which has the communication feature. With these tools, people can communicate. With these tools, people can communicate in their native language, interact with technologies using natural language, and connect with these regardless of time zone and cultural difference. The language translation. We all know Google Translator, and there is another tool which popped up recently, which is DeepL. Those those are good language translator apps and websites. You can really use the tools which are AI powered and can help you translate the words without hesitation. Language barrier can be a major hindrance to effective communication, but AI powered language translator is changing that. With these technologies, people can communicate in their native language and have it translated in real time for the other person. It not only saves time, but also ensures that the message is accurately conveyed. In the healthcare industry, AI powered languages translate is being used to improve patient care by allowing doctors and nurses to communicate with patients who speak different languages. Of course, if you got sick in another country, you went to the doctor and the nurses, they don't speak your language. AI powered language translator can really help you. It can do a real time translation and makes you a little bit comfortable because there's something you can understand what the doctor's saying. In the business world, companies are using the technology to communicate with clients and partners from around the world without the need of translators and possible endless. Translation is really good. We all have it in our time. We all have been using it, so it's a really good AI powered tool. Virtual assistant. Also, we all know virtual assistant, which are also AI powered. We have we have Google Assistant, which is, to wake you up, you would just say, "Hey Google," and it pops up. We have Siri in the iPhone. We have Amazon Alexa, and there's also, I think, Bing. I think so. Hopefully. And anyway, virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology by allowing us to use natural languages. These assistants make communication easy and intuitive. As this technology evolves, it's being used in more and more settings, from home and offices to care and public spaces. In addition to answering questions and performing tasks, virtual assistants can also provide personalized recommendation and insight based on our habits and preferences. So you can have a good chat with Google Assistant, for example. You can start the chat, and the best of it is that you can interact it with as a human. If you say tell it to tell you a joke, it will tell you a joke. If you didn't like it, you say it to her. You didn't like the joke, and you regenerate another one. You say sorry. We could see a lot of potential for the Google Assistant in Siri in the future. Art as a type of communication. We all know that visual art is a really good thing to have. So visual art is a powerful form of communication that can convey complex ideas and emotion through imagery. From cave painting to modern digital art, artists have used visual and medium expression themselves and connect with others. With the advantage of AI, there are new opportunities to leverage technology to enhance the creation and visualization of art. AI algorithm can be useful to generate new images, analyze existing artwork, and even assist in the creative process. So we are going to see some art tools that will help us create some beautiful art. But art is not limited to visual, not to painting, not to pictures. It also can be audio, a piece of music. It can be also a video, a piece of video editing powered, generated by the AI. There's a lot of potential and a lot of opportunities to try with, because AI websites are popping up recently and they are really, really good and they can help and creativity and everything. Real-time communication. Real-time communication is a crucial in today's fast pace. world, and AI-powered tools like chatbots and video conferences are making it easier than ever. These tools provide instant access to information and allows people to connect with each other from anywhere in the world. One of the main benefits of AI-powered communication tool is the ability to provide personalized experience. Chatbots can be programmed to understand and respond to specific user needs, while video conferencing allows for face-to-face interaction with the need for physical travel. These tools are already being used in various industries, from healthcare to finance, in helping streamline communication and improve efficiency. Recently, there's a new AI popped up, so it can really be good in the support field for customer support, client support, or customer support. Uh, the AI can answer calls and communicate with the with the client in a really, really, really good way. It's like, and of course, the chatbot is not tired. Is not tired. It can work 24/7. It's not expensive, so it's going to change the world recently. I'm going to leave you with a video right now, and you can see the.
Oh,
Hey, James.
yeah, who's this?
Hey, James. It's Alexander from Tesla Motors. How's your day going so far?
It's going pretty good, my man. How about yourself? And you said from Tesla, right? The car company?
Yeah, that's right. I'm calling from Tesla Motors, the car company. Did you have any trouble or questions while customizing your car on our website?
No, we're just kind of shopping around and, just taking a look.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Sometimes we're just exploring our options before making a decision, and I totally respect that. Can I ask you why you were looking into a Tesla in the first place?
Yeah, I mean, I've had my car for way too long now, and so I'm kind of taking a look at options. And I have a lot of friends who just absolutely rave about Tesla, and me myself, I'm actually a big fan of Elon Musk. So I figured I might as well take a look and kind of explore my options there and see what you guys had available.
That's a smart approach, James. It's always good to explore your options and see what's available. Out of curiosity, what do you currently drive?
Yeah, I drive it's an old Ford Fusion, my man.
Nice, a Ford Fusion. Why are you looking to switch things up and consider a Tesla?
Yeah, I mean, I've had that car literally since I got my first job years back. And it was just time for a change. So it's like, it's not super reliable anymore, and it's time for an upgrade. I'm moving into the city now, and I just think it's time, while I get the new apartment, might as well get the new car at the same time,
I totally get that, James. Moving to a new apartment is a great opportunity to make some fresh changes, including getting a new car. Are you looking at purchasing any other cars at the moment, or are your eyes just set on Tesla?
I'm still looking around, but mainly Tesla. I have a lot of friends who, obviously have them, and I'm a little bit jealous. I have to say, when I, test drive them, and they're super fast. Obviously, it looks really, really amazing. So mainly looking at Teslas and just kind of trying to figure out which is the right one, and before making a decision on which one to go with.
Well, let's change that as soon as possible then. It looks like you're in Omaha, Nebraska. Is that right?
Yeah, correct.
Great. What if I do this for you? What if I schedule a time for you to come into a dealership near you to give a Tesla an official test spin, and you can see if this is the car that makes sense for you? Is that something you would be down for?
Absolutely. That would be amazing.
Awesome. Well, it looks like we have a 7 p.m. or an 11 a.m. available in Omaha time. Which time works best for you?
Let's do the 7 o'clock.
Great. I'll lock in that time for you. You're all set for a test drive at 7 p.m. Anything else I can help you with, James?
Nope, that's it. I really appreciate you giving me the call.
Well, it was my pleasure speaking with you, James. I can't wait for you to give a Tesla a spin. There's nothing like it, in my opinion. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Bye-bye. Thanks so much.
I hope you like the video and you see that AI can be a really challenging thing in the future and can replace jobs, of course, but uh, this is for the far future because these type of AI are now under development. So we're going to wait and we'll see what pops up in the future. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have discussed how AI can make communication easy by overcoming challenges such as language barrier, cultural difference, and time zone differences. We explore how AI power language translations, virtual assistant, and real communication tools like chatbot and video conferencing are revolutionizing the way we communicate. By leveraging these AI-powered communication tools, individual and businesses alike can streamline their communication process, improve efficiency, and ultimately achieve great success. We encourage you to explore the many power communication tools available to you and discuss how they can make your life easier. Anyway, we're going to see some websites that will help us with this kind of AI tools. Okay, we're going to explore some of the AI tools we have recently had. Okay, we have the first one is Bard from Google. That's a really good chatbot. It's based on ChatGPT 4. It's online, so you can ask him anything you want. So it's uh, up to date. So you can ask him the new stuff. You can ask him anything you want. Of course, you can just go log in with the with Google account, and you can have a really good. Also, you can upload your pictures, not your pictures. You can upload picture and search by the picture. If you like, you can tell him to find a new picture like this one, but with something else. So this is a good chatbot. Also, we know ChatGPT, and that's an old one, of course. We have also, in order to generate some, if you want to generate some art, okay, we're going to see diagram.com. This is a really good designing tool that's powered by AI. So you can also do a lot of stuff with this tool. You can generate some pictures, some animated art, like videos, like GIFs. You can use this tool in a very good way, and it will help you. The app is a really good AI powered designing tool. It can create presentations, pictures. It can do a lot of stuff for us. You can use it as well for creating study and education purposed presentations, and you can use it for free, but you are limited to some credits. You have only 500 AI credits left, so 500 AI credit, and you can upgrade. But you can create a new account if you want and try a lot of times. And for example, let's create a presentation about something. Okay, let's try. Create presentation about how AI can control the world, and and, and he will generate the outlines and a good presentation with some pictures. Okay, you can see it after. What is AI? As you can see, it really did a good job of putting some of the good headlines. Um, and it's a really good educational purpose AI tool that will help us. As you can see, it's generating the presentation in real life, so you can use it if you want. Also, we have here Kama that app. Okay, let's see. Also, it's for presentations, as you can see, a new medium for AI power tool for presentations, and you can use it for educational purposes if you want. It's a really good AI tool. There's a video of explanation here. We can leave you I'll leave you the websites here written by the list, and you can check them out if you want. So We have Gamma, that app, which is a really good AI for presentations. It's powered by AI, as you can see. It's a really good one. I will leave you the link right here next to me. There is the link there, and you can check it out if you want. It generates docs, decks, and web pages in seconds. It's really good AI power tool. It can really help you building a business, a website. It's a really easy tool to helps you improve. Also, we can use Spline.design. Spline.design is a really good AI power tool. It it has the 3D function tool, which will help you create some good visual arts and good uh, 3D spaces that the way you like. I will leave you to this website, and you can create some wonderful arts with it if you want. Also, as you can see, we have here a small, as you can see, a small art, and you can create a lot of stuff with this if you want. Also, next one we have. Okay, let me check. Okay, next one we have Recraft.ai. This is a good tool for designers and a really good tool to improve your art. And as you can see, it's Recraft. You can submit a picture and it can regenerate the picture the way you like. For example, we're going to see an example here. We're going to give it a picture and tell it to change the character to Mario. Okay, now as you can see, it will take some time and it will generate an art for us. That's a really good AI powered tool if you want to use it. Anyway, these are just a small amount of AI powered tool. There is a lot. There is a big sea of AI powered tool out there. Also, I have a library. I will put the link here. This library will allow you to search for a certain AI. For example, you can tell it to an AI tool with which helps in image, and we'll show you a lot of AI tools that can help you with images. And for another one for videos, another one for music. It's a good library for AIs and gives you the website and if it's free or paid also. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for Aich for letting us do this communication webinar.